In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in Renderforest. We'll walk through opening your project, uploading a photo, arranging it in the editor, and previewing the results so you can see exactly how it will look in your video. Start by heading to the Renderforest homepage and open your account dashboard. From there, go to the projects area. This is where all of your existing videos live, making it easy to jump back into something you've already started. Find the video you want to update and choose the edit option. That will launch the video editor, where you can add and manage all your media. Inside the editor, look to the right side of the screen for the plus button. This is your shortcut to adding new assets. Click it and you'll see options for bringing in media. Choose Upload to add a photo from your computer. You can browse to the file you want, and in many cases, you can also drag and drop it into the upload area. For the best results, use clear, high-resolution images in common formats like JPG or PNG. If your video has a specific aspect ratio, try to pick an image that's close to that shape to reduce cropping. Once your image is uploaded, it will appear on the canvas. Click the photo to select it, then resize it by dragging the corners, and reposition it by dragging it to the exact spot you want. If cropping controls are available, use them to frame your subject neatly. Keep key elements within the safe area so nothing important gets cut off on different screens. If guides or snapping are enabled, they can help you center the image quickly. Consider visual balance. For example, offset a portrait slightly and leave space for any text or graphics already in the scene. If the photo overlaps other elements, check the layer order and adjust as needed so everything stacks correctly. When you're happy with the placement, use the play button to preview. Watch the segment where your image appears to confirm the timing, transitions, and how it feels with motion. If something looks off, pause, make small adjustments to size or position, and preview again. Look for edges being clipped, unexpected overlaps, or the image drawing too much attention if it's meant to be subtle. That's it. You've opened your project, uploaded your photo, arranged it with care, and previewed the final look. Follow these steps anytime you need to add or update images in your Renderforest videos, and you'll keep your projects looking polished and professional.